What it is, it's 2018 GATS. Here with Loshawnparks, it's Choice Mass. Check me out at Choice. YouTube is Choice M.A.S. Get it right, Choice Mass, not Choice Mines. Stay fresh, be cool.
This is for Miss Pearl, GATS 2018. Check me out.
What's going on, y'all? It's GATS 2018. It's an awesome trucker. Check me out at YouTube at That Awesome Trucker. I'm the one to do the cooking. I got blessed hands.
All the way from Detroit to Dallas, young and trucking in the South, 2018 GATS. I got some new material coming, so just be on the lookout.
Oh, the habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright, what's going on, people? It's TRB.
And Miss Pearl.
It's Miss Pearl. Hey, listen, I know, the chemistry is magnetic. I can't help it. Listen, when you get around a man like me, ain't no telling.
Oh, no, when you get around a woman like me, ain't no telling what's
However
like
you
to go
want to
down.
call
No
it, because
telling
I'm just
what's like to
saying,
go
you
down.
know, you
Just
get
saying.
around me, you're going to be smiling.
Where am I supposed to be looking at, LoShawn?
You're supposed to be looking right there. You got such a gizmo. It's just a whole bunch of jibber jabber going on, ain't it?
Exactly. I'm
Listen,
like, wait a minute, where am I looking?
This is all I got right here, okay? So you hit the power
Well, you got
button,
more than what I have.
and it just do like that. Oh, boom. Well, man, that's it. That's it.
He got this big old contraption. He
He
done
got
set
it.
up. We done got. You really
Yes,
do. You really
yes.
do.
All
you really
extra.
do.
All extra.
So how has your experience been here at the truck show?
My experience at GATS has been absolutely amazing. First, the Corvette. Hey, listen. I had to get in the Corvette
so funny.
not only for me, but for all big, tall men all around the world. See your penis. All right. Yes. Ooh. 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 There you go. Ooh. There you go. All right, there you go. Okay. All right. So you got to squat down like that, right? But you got to turn at an angle. See what happens? They didn't know I've been in these fancy cars before. Your butt cheeks is gonna catch the steering wheel, all right? It's gonna catch the steering wheel. So you gotta back it up. Okay. Did you get out of luck? All right. Look, see what I'm doing, right? Hey, he knows what I'm talking about. All right. Now you can't have your hat to the back. You gotta slide on down. You gotta put it on. Okay?
Yeah, that shit drop on it.
And then you see what I'm doing, right? Hey, you gotta do it like that. All right. We ain't in yet, though.
Okay. We ain't in yet.
Now, the passenger cannot be in the car when a big dude's getting in the car. Right. Because you got to use that armrest over here in the seat. Okay. See the twist, right?
Yes.
Because you got premium leather in the vehicle, you're able to slide like that. See that?
But that shit done went back. Damn, bro. What happened? Why did it go backwards?
Now, you got to be careful, okay? Because you don't want to hit the windshield wiper. That's why they made them like that.
The windshield.
You spraying water on yourself. Right. Take the breath in. Look. Now, look at the foot now. Can you get the foot for me? Okay, I got it. Low, can you come around? Come around here, Low. No, the other side, please. Other side. Come on around. Okay, see the foot? See the foot? You can't lift the foot up because we fat. Belly in the way. Walk it in. Walk it in. And there you have it.
You gotta close the door though. Ooh. Look at this. My man. God damn. No, he ain't there. Yo, look at that shit tight as a mother. Go.
Okay.
Are you about to suffocate?
I can't open the door. Where's the door latch?
Oh, it's the little button.
Give me a camera. No, let me get mine.
Yo.
Okay.
You're right. I don't know if a 400 man can get up in there.
Look at this. All right. Roll the window down real quick.
Oh, no, you can't. Put the key in there, and then put your foot on the brake, and then press start.
Can you go to the Corvette?
Yeah, just put it on there. That's fine. Just push the little start button. Just put it right there. Put your foot on the brake.
I can't reach the brake.
I can't. There we go. We good. You good.
Okay.
There you go. It's on.
Okay.
In there.
Wait a minute. I can't open the door. I can't, and I got my flash on. So y'all can't see what I see. But the button is right down off in here somewhere. Yeah. That is Corvette. I feel as if.
But you nice though.
Am I nice though?
Nice though.
Wait a minute.
He's looking nice.
Okay, turn the camera on me. Look, listen. No. Yeah. Stop the recording.
Okay.
All right, take a picture.
Turn it on. Okay, take a picture. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, you killing it. Oh yes. Oh, you killing it. Oh yes. You killing it.
Hey, that's perfect.
You killing it. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, it's working. Yeah.
We at GATS 2018. We're about to go down the line right here of all of the trucking recruiters. They got 30 seconds to tell us the pro about their company, and we even gonna try to get them to say the con about their company. You think they actually tell us the con? I don't know. We'll find out. Let's go. All right.
Nope.
Y'all don't do no marketing?
No, we can't do it online.
Really?
No.
Okay. You guys got a card?
We can't do it online.
Is that lady here?
Really?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
You would thought that it would seem like somebody from marketing or to explain it.
You would think.
They send recruiters out here.
We are recruiters.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They just sent recruiters, but not from marketing.
It's a lady, it's an older lady, she kind of tall, got glasses, real skinny.
Can't do any social media.
Well, at least I can take a picture of the car, right? So then, for like, I got a Facebook group that's looking for drivers, that's looking for jobs.
You can take a picture
So I
of
can
the
take a
car,
picture of the car, so then they can call you guys for questions.
Oh!
Why driver need to come to your particular company?
They have to be 25 years old and have 2 years experience.
Okay, and as far as the pay package goes, how much do you offer?
It depends on experience and driving record.
Okay.
Drive-in drivers can make up to 58 cents a mile.
Okay.
Drivers pulling refrigerated or flatbeds can make up to 63 cents a mile.
All right.
We also hire owner operators.
Okay, and do you offer benefits and all that good stuff?
We do offer benefits. We have medical, vision, dental, life insurance, 401k, paid vacation.
Awesome. And if they wanted to get in contact with you, what number would they call?
312-868-4009.
That'll work.
That's my cell. I answer that myself.
All right.
I'm Charlie Duell.
Charlie Duell, okay, and you are the co-owner of?
I am of Clark Transfer. So my family, my mother, who's about to turn 85, my brother and I are running the company our grandfather started in 1949.
Awesome. Okay, what would a driver need to get on with your particular company?
So we're 100% owner-operator fleet, and we are looking for people who have a special commitment to serving our unique customers.
Okay. And as far as pay package, how does the pay package work?
So we do an unusual trucking. We move Broadway shows, Wicked, Lion King, Hamilton, all the shows that tour North America. And so for our drivers, they always have to be on time. We were on time 99.91% of the time last year. But they drive fewer miles than at most companies, and we think they net more than at most. So an average Clark owner-operator single will drive 85,000 miles and gross somewhere in the 165, 170, again on low miles. A team will drive 15, 20,000 extra miles and earn more than $50,000 more than a single on average.
Nice. All right, if they wanted to get in contact with your company, get any more information, where would they go?
So you can go to clarktransfer.com where you'll see pictures of my mother and brother, and you can go to the Facebook page for Clark Transfer, or you can contact our 800 number, but you can find us on the web, clarktransfer.com.
Just a minute, we got to complain about something real quick.
All right, so me and the Wright brother are here at GATS.
Yeah.
2018. We tried to interview these companies to tell them to explain exactly.
He got his whole hallway. He gonna walk up.
Oh, well, anyway, we tried to get them on camera to explain their company as far as like pay package, and all of them is like, nah, legal team, we can't do it.
It's weird that we're over here trying to give you some free advertisement, and instead of taking advantage of what it is, or even just taking your smartphone out and looking up who you are or who I am, they rather see. That's what I'm saying. The whole hallway.
Because you kind of like something like a big deal.
And you know, all we're trying to do is help you out and give information to the people that's not able to make it to the truck show.
Right.
And instead of taking advantage of that, you're like, no. And the no's is weird. I guess because I'm not used to being rejected like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But so I'm basically done with the interviews or whatever. And all I'm going to do now is go film some trucks. Call it a day.
Yeah, man. Well, we tried, y'all. So just know you got to do your own research. We're here at GATS 2018, and the companies don't want to talk to us.
Okay, now you got to come get in the video with us.
We go.